Hey guys, so today I am opening my Jeffree Star Valentine's Day 2020 mystery box. There was the premium, the deluxe, and the supreme boxes, and I ordered a premium box. I have no idea what's in here. I have not watched any videos on the mystery boxes, so I have no idea what to expect. I haven't had anything surprised for me, anything blown for me. Any of the surprises blown for me. So I'm really excited to find out what's in here because I have no idea. So I took my address off there and I just took the tape off. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, there's a hat in here and it says Jeffree Star on there, like candy hearts. Ooh, the gloss. Ooh, and a pop socket. This is good because I just tore mine off of my phone. It broke, like one of the pieces on it broke. Oh, that's so convenient because I needed one. That's paper. Paper. There's something in here. Covered in alien. Oh, an alien palette. I have one, but I don't know if I should give this to somebody or keep this one as backup because this is discontinued. So pop in the, I don't know what to do. I'll figure it out. But yes, I got an alien palette. I already bought one. A hat, the gloss in succulent, and a pop socket. I am so excited. I love these all very much and I am excited to try this one out, put this on my phone. And I live in Maine, so it does get cold here, very. So yeah, I'll figure out what to do with the alien palette. I might keep it, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is my mystery box unboxing for Valentine's Day 2020. Yes, that was the premium box and I absolutely love everything inside, and I know the alien palette is good because I use it on a regular basis. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!